Welcome back to Best NH Life, where this time we are celebrating our anniversary, and this June marks 32 years of marriage for us. We've never really followed the traditional anniversary gifts. Every year we found our own way to celebrate and recognize our anniversary. This year, out of curiosity, I looked up what is the traditional gift for a 32nd wedding anniversary, and as it turns out, there isn't one. However, according to the Knot, a contemporary gift for a 32nd anniversary is conveyance, loosely related to travel. Well, how about that? Because this year, our anniversary celebration was spent traveling on our bikes, exploring the beautiful New Hampshire coast together. The New Hampshire coastline is rocky, winding, and absolutely stunning. The route takes you past magnificent seaside homes along some narrow bike paths, through marshes and low coastal areas, and surprises you at every turn with gorgeous flowers in bloom everywhere. I mean, it is June after all. Along the way, you can duck into some sweet little neighborhoods that feel like hidden gems, although most of them don't have bike lanes, so I can't in good conscience recommend them. We finished our ride at an impressive 15 miles, at least I think it's impressive, and rewarded ourselves by sharing a lobster roll because, well, summer New England practically requires it. From there, we headed into Portsmouth and spent the afternoon exploring the historic Strawberry Bank Museum. Walking through the preserved homes felt like taking a trip back through the decades. One of the highlights was the Goodwin House, which boasts beautiful gardens and an incredible history of its own. Most of the entire house was moved nearly half a mile from its original homestead to its current location at the museum. Can you even imagine what that must have been like, moving a house, and not a small one either? After Portsmouth, we crossed into Maine and spent some time browsing around Kittery and Pepperell Cove before making our way to Bistro 1828 for dinner. We happened to have the first reservation of the evening, but we were hungry, so that was perfectly fine for us. The cove itself is worth a visit. Frisbee's Wharf is a waterfront restaurant where tables sit on crushed shells, and the ski bar is a rooftop deck overlooking the harbor. True to Maine, there's no shortage of boats, lobster traps, and postcard-worthy views. From the marina, we could even spot 2 lighthouses in the distance. Dinner was delicious. We ordered a cheese board to start that was generous enough to double as lunch the next day. And for our meal, I enjoyed the tuna, while Honey chose a seafood pasta dish that disappeared quickly. The best part of the day may have been the timing. We enjoyed a perfect early summer day with light traffic, comfortable temperatures, and sunshine from start to finish. Considering the day was bookended by rain, we could not have asked for better weather. So 32 years later, we're still enjoying finding new places to explore, whether it's a bike ride along the coast, a stroll through history, or simply sharing a lobster roll on a summer afternoon. So cheers to 32 years. Until next time.